on, everybody? It's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper focused on infill lots. Today, you're now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel, where I'm your host, Damien Dupee. Will be showing you how to get to the vacant land bag. Holla at your boy. Couple announcements before I get started. First announcement: if you are local to the Charlotte market and would like to attend a meetup, the link is in the description. Meetup.com. I host a local monthly meetup. The last Friday of the month, 7 to 9 p.m. Would love to see you. Come check me out. Holla at your boy. Also, before I get into this video, I'm going to be talking about how to find off-market land deals on Zillow. Okay, and basically you're going to be looking at them from for sale by owners. So if you can see my screen, let's go ahead and get right to it. Basically, you just need Zillow open, and you just go to for sale. You want to drop down right here, and you want to do by owner. All right, and then I typically want to see properties that's for sale for $50,000 and under. So you can definitely put that in there. And I want to make sure this is off. Days on Zillow, it doesn't matter any. And also, you want to put in the city and state. You can put in the whole county. So you can put in a zip code, a whole county, a city and state. I'm going to do Mecklenburg County. And as you can see, there's no for sale by owners here. Let's try another county. Let's try Iredell County, North Carolina. Nothing here. All right, let me just take this price off and see if I see anything. All right, I got 6 others over here. Yeah, and they're over 50,000. These for sale by owners. All right, cool. So it is working. Let's try Cleveland County. Alright, so in Cleveland County, we do have some stuff for sale. As you can see, there's a lot right here, 20,000 for sale by owner. Got the address here. Let's see what information. Got his phone number here. This is a way where you can find deals. I mean, you can find deals just from your computer if you don't have a marketing budget. This is a great way to find deals. So basically, what you want to do is run a comp on this. And you can do this in PropStream. You can do this. I'm going to do this on PropStream. You just want to see what lots are selling for over there. And then on the next one, I'll do it on maybe the MLS. That's what I'm used to using, the MLS. So. But I know some people don't have the MLS, so we'll use PropStream for this one. Alright, let's see if we can even get eyes on this lot. Alright, nice size lot. Cool. Want 20,000 for it. You want to go right here to comparables. Alright, I typically go right here, property class. I do vacant land. And also, I will go here and put cash buyers. Let me go within a mile because I didn't get anything in a half a mile. And within a mile, these are the comps that I have. So that number 1 sold for 43,000. I wonder how big that was. That's actually real close to our property. Number 3 sold for 13,000. Number 4 sold for 30,000. And number 5, I don't see number 5 yet. Oh, okay, it's over here. All right, that looked like a big acreage. Let me look at these comps. I know my property is 30,000 square feet. So basically, you look at the comps. I'm gonna look at the one for 43,000. See how big this was. Alright, this one was 3.51 acres, so that explains why it sold for so much. This one is just a little under an acre. Jones Road. Let's see what this number 4 is. Alright, this was a builder that did buy this one. As you can see, he paid $30,000 for it. CMH Homes. And this lot was an acre. So our lot is not that much smaller. There may be an opportunity there. They paid $30 for this one, and theirs is just right at an acre. And it's actually close to that property. So I think I want to call the seller and check to see if the lot has access to water and sewer. First, check to see if it's still available. So I got his number right here. I'm going to call him right now. Wasn't able to get him on the phone. Definitely going to call him and send a text. Oh yes, good morning, Ms. Chavez. This is Damien Dupee with FlippingLand Solutions. I was calling to see was your vacant lot on Ohana Lane in Shelby, North Carolina still available. Feel free to give me a call back at 704-269-6142. 704-269-6142. And my name is Damien Dupee with FlippingLand Solutions. Thank you. All right, wasn't able to get her on the phone. Just wanted to peek at it on the MLS. Look like it's a mobile home community. It's probably water, no sewer. This is a listing in closing 13 right next door. Yeah, county water, no sewer. So you will have to perk that lot for sure. Because there's no sewer there. All right, let's see what else we can find. We got another lot right here in Shelby for sale. All right, I'm going to run comps this time on the MLS. It's a lot quicker. They want $19,000 for this lot. Don't look like a bad lot. I got a comp right here at 17. All right, let me check it in Zillow. Yeah, they just dropped the price to $17,900. So they probably will take $15,000 for it. Might can sell it for $20,000. Check. So let me see if the owner's number is here. I'm gonna see if this lot is still available. I want to see if this lot has water and sewer. That's important. Always check for utilities. Very, very important. Yep. So this is septic. Water, no sewer. It means you got to do a perk test. And this is basically a strategy you can use to basically find lots that is listed for sale by owner. Typically, when you see marketing like this is a wholesaler. Typically, very common for wholesalers, to put stuff on the market like this, or someone who took it down and selling it. So just so you know, like usually a for sale by owner ad doesn't look this professional. Like this looks very, very professional, like someone who's selling land for a living, opposed to, as you can see, this one, it's just nothing. That's how you know it's a true for sale by owner. All right, cool. So hope this video was able to add some type of value to you. Definitely want to try this strategy out in your market or in this market, but you want to look for sale by owners. The name of the game is to call people, get them on the phone, and see if they want to sell, and try to make sure you can sell it for just a little bit more. All right, appreciate you. Thank you for checking me out. I'll see you when I see you.